we're trying to figure out how many offices are on the first floor. The offices are either 200, 300, or 350 square feet. So let's look at clue 1. Total of 9,500 square feet on the first floor. Well, there's all kinds of ways that you could do combinations. 10 at 200 and however many at 300 and however many at 350 to sum up to give you 9,500. But there's all kinds of combinations. So I can't tell from that how many offices on the first floor. And then 2, 10 of the offices on the first floor have areas of 350. Well, that's 3,500 square feet where you've got 10 offices of 350. That still leaves you 6,000 square feet to do different combinations of 200 and 300. So that doesn't work either. And if you go back and put them both together for the same reasons I just said, you cannot figure out how many offices are on the first floor. There's just too many different combinations you can come up with. So nothing works. Answer is E.